Hello, 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 and welcome. Today is my birthday. I'm just going to talk to you and say thank you for being here. Thank you, subscribers, for coming back, doing the exercises, doing what you love. That's it. That is the most wonderful thing you can do. Doing the thing that you love. That's what I do. I love singing and I love teaching. So today, I'm not going to give you anything in the vocal exercises, but something to carry through life. Doing the thing you love, staying humble, loving people, loving yourself enough to do the hard things. Not what comes easy, but the things that will make you grow. And I hope you enjoy all of the things that I give you. Tell me what else I need to do in the exercises for you. And I usually do the beats, but my equipment, I have a little bit of problem because it's old and the fan that's inside goes, as some of you have experienced. I'm so sorry. I'm getting that fixed. So until I get it fixed, I can't do my beats, which I'm so sorrowful for, but we'll get them going again. Okay, so I think that's about it. Let me know what's happening in your life. Have a wonderful day. And what I usually do is end with this. Ready? Such a day, such a mighty fine day. Yeah. Okay, bye.